Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2026 Dodge Challenger TT1 Hellcat Redeye, a car that's been making waves in the automotive world with its unparalleled performance and aggressive style. As we delve into the details of this vehicle, we'll be comparing it to its competitors, exploring its design elements, features, price, and performance aspects. The Dodge Challenger has a rich history, dating back to 1970 when the first generation was launched. Since then, the car has evolved, and its various iterations have become synonymous with American muscle and power. The 2026 Dodge Challenger TT1 Hellcat Redeye is the latest addition to this iconic lineup, and it's clear that Dodge has pulled out all the stops to make this car a real showstopper. In terms of design, the 2026 Dodge Challenger TT1 Hellcat Redeye is a real head-turner. Its aggressive exterior styling is accentuated by a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and a distinctive hood scoop. The car's flared fenders and 20-inch alloy wheels add to its menacing stance, making it clear that this is a car that's built for speed. Inside, the 2026 Dodge Challenger TT1 Hellcat Redeye is just as impressive. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including leather and Alcantara trim, while the dashboard features a massive 8.4-inch touchscreen display. This screen provides access to a range of functions, including navigation, climate control, and entertainment. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Dodge Challenger TT1 Hellcat Redeye is a real beast. The car is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, which produces a staggering 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with